Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store, as we are going to need to update Instagram first, as the feature is relatively new. Go ahead and use the search bar and find Instagram, just like so. Tap on it, and if there's an update button, go ahead and tap on it and wait for the process to finish. And once the app has updated, go ahead and open it up, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and select a single reel or go ahead over to the reel section. And then after that, click on or tap on the three dots at the very bottom. And in here, we have the auto scroll feature. As you can see here, it is new. So all you got to do is just basically enable this toggle. And then after that, go ahead and go back to the reel section. Let's say I'm going to seek this video right here. Just like so. And then let's go ahead and wait a bit. Okay. It should go ahead and scroll by itself. There you go. That is how you auto scroll on Instagram Reels. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.